Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mandeep. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to do something unusual, and that is what's in my bag. No, what's in my bag. So today no makeup. I don't want to do any makeup today. I don't have any makeup on. I just have a lip gloss on. That's it. So I carry this bag whenever I go to the flight. Whenever I go to the flight, and we call it tote bag. I guess everybody calls it a tote bag because it is a tote bag. And
Oh my god, this is so heavy.
and then we carry a trolley bag as well, but I will not show you guys because I'm not going to the flight and that bag is not ready at all. So in that bag we keep cabin shoes. We change our shoes in the flight, so we have cabin shoes, then we have vest, and then we have extra pajamas, extra set of uniform. Then I have oven gloves in that bag, then extra slippers, not extra but slippers, and extra charger, a dental kit, some earbuds. That's it for now. So I will show you today what's in my tote bag. First thing first, this is my water bottle. So I keep this bottle all the time in my bag. And next thing is this moisturizer, and this is from Victoria. Let's try it. I wish I could show you guys how it smells. Oh my god, this moisturizes the hands so well. The next thing is safety glasses. We wear it on board before the boarding. And why we wear it? Coronavirus. Oh my god, this thing is important, you guys. This is a dental kit, so I keep it every time. Even if it's a round trip, even if it's a layover, whatever, I just keep it in my bag all the time. Next is this pouch. This is gifted. My best friend, she gave it to me, and I miss her so much. She's in India right now, but I miss her. So I keep medicines in this pouch. Okay, this is some Mahan whenever I get cold. And then this is vitamin C. Talk of the town. We should have some eye drops. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. Otrivin, important. Okay, what else? Some bandages. Bandage. For the cons. And then some other medicines. Oh, this is important. Sanitizer. Then some gloves. Then Dettol wipes. Then I have mask. Okay. Go back. Simon, go back. Okay. Next is this pouch, and in this pouch I keep my documents. So this is cute little card holder, I guess. Yeah, we keep cards. I keep cards in this one, and it has all the cards I need for the flight. Okay, so many. And then my passport. Okay, few papers. That's it. Not so important. An ID card in this pouch. Close it. So next is wallet, and it has nothing. Empty. Nothing. Oh, this one is so cute. I love this perfume, and this is Marc Jacob Decadence, and the smell, you guys, it's so amazing. So next is, oh god, this is so dirty, but a socket, and then a pen. Oh, next is chamomile tea. I don't know why I have it. Then gloss cleaner, and then nail paint cleaner, nail paint remover, sorry. And next is more bandages. Some blotting paper. Oh, I have 2 cards, okay. And then swing kit, safety pin, and then this juda pin, jo bhi bol diya. Okay, in this zipper I have this cute manicure kit in case I need to cut my nails. Oh, this one is for my headphones. Cute pouch. Okay, come on. Okay, go. Another tissue from, this is Mickey Mouse tissue. Lip balm, rosy lip balm from Vaseline. Nivea, you know why. This is, I guess I have this since 5 years. Oh god, I love this mirror. That looks so good. I don't. So this one is a lipstick holder. I can open it like this, and it has a cute mirror. Extra watch. Next one on, this is my cute unicorn headphones, AirPods, and then nail paint from Kralin. More chamomile tea. This is soap strips. I am so messy, you guys. I'm not at all organized, so I'll just keep it inside again. Just keep it inside. Oh my god. Okay, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll come up with new ideas and new videos soon. The next video is going to be a makeup video. Yes. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, I love you all.